Hello guys, it's that Dividend guy here. Happy Tuesday. Let's take a look and see what the market did. Apparently we're down. We're below 17, so we're about 23 bucks below. That's fine. So today we're at a loss of about 15 bucks, almost $16. For the week, we're up $68. For the month, we're up 49. For the 3-month mark, we're still up over $1,900. On the year, we're still up over 26, and all time, we're up over 24. So what does this show us real quick? Just want to point this out. So today we lost 15 bucks, but after that long term, how much are we up? My all time, I'm up 2,400. So the day-to-day doesn't matter, the long term does. So let's take a look at the price movements for each stock. So Altria is at 50.87. I have 98 shares. 45.30 is my average cost, so I'm up about $5 a share. So I should be about over $500. Yep. Awesome. Is about 30% of my portfolio. I noticed that there's a couple stocks like Altria, AT&T, and AbbVie that I'm going to try to shrink a bit. Not necessarily sell shares, but I'm going to try to buy enough of something else to make it so they're only about 15% of the portfolio. I know that's like cutting it in half, but that's kind of the goal for me now. Because I'm kind of overexposed to 3 stocks, and I don't want to be like that over invested in certain positions. Coca-Cola, 17 shares, 51.10 is my average cost. It's 56 bucks. I'm up about $5 a share, up $83 total, about 10% gain there. AT&T, 62 shares, average cost is 31.10. This one's been running, but it's coming back down. It seems like it's at 38, so I'm up $3.10 today. Total returns up $437, up 22%. AbbVie, this is one of those that has a big margin. So does AT&T's, not as bad, but Altria and AbbVie really do have a huge percent of the portfolio. It's like 60% of my portfolio is in those 2 stocks. So AbbVie, I have 60 shares, 72.22 is my average cost, 31% of the portfolio. I'm up 51 bucks today, up over $958. That's the first time in a long time that I have not been up over a grand or at a grand with AbbVie. So that's probably why, because AbbVie's coming down a bit from its like $92 range. So that's why we're down. SKT, I bought 3 more shares with the Altria dividend. 15.29 is my average cost. 15.66, so I'm still up. I want it to be below my average cost, so I would not be buying here. Average return on 5 shares, I'm down $1.60 today. Total return, I'm up $1.83. So I'm still up, even though it fluctuated a bit today. Walgreens only got 1 share. It's only 0.3% of the portfolio, and I have 54.60 is my average cost, and so I'm only up 2 cents, so not really that insane there. Usually I'm up more than that, but I would be comfortable buying at that price. ExxonMobil down. I'm always down on Exxon. Today I'm down $17 on 29 shares. It was 11%, almost 12% of the portfolio. Down $124.72, so about down 6% on this position. Target up to 125. I have 10 shares. Average cost is 87.68, 7.3% of the portfolio. I'm up almost 14 bucks today, up almost $376, a 42% return on investment, which is insane. So Target's by far my biggest climber. And I don't think I've added much of anything at all. Excuse me. Don't think I've added anything since I showed you guys last. Pepsi's been on there. Disney's been on there. I told you about Verizon yesterday. So, nothing really new to add. I will be getting paid this month. I don't know if they're going to be on, next month already. Yeah, T-Dividend's already up there, which is $32.24, which I'm up from $31.50, so that's awesome. So I'm getting paid more. I will be getting paid by AbbVie that month too, and that should be about an $80 payment, but I think that they increased their dividend, so I should be getting more than that, but we'll see. So I get 2 dividend increases. I'll tell you what percentage that is. I'll figure that out once AbbVie pays me. I'll do a video about that on the weekend sometime, just showing you, because I've had Altria boost up their dividend by 4 cents. I've had AT&T boost their dividend up by 1 cent, which doesn't sound like a lot, but it adds up. And then I think AbbVie, it was $1.07, and now it's up to $1.18, so I should be getting paid more by them as well. So that's awesome. Just wanted to show you the dividend history there, but AbbVie's not up there yet. So anyways, guys, we close out today at 16,991. So a little bit lower than we did yesterday, but not a big deal. Price fluctuation is the name of the game, and it does give us buying opportunities. Issue is I can't add more to my portfolio yet. So I'm bummed out about that, but we are growing, so that's phenomenal. So thank you guys so much for watching. It's been that Dividend guy with a quick portfolio update. Sorry guys, I'm hungry. I wanted to do this before I ate lunch, so thank you so much for watching. Remember to hit the subscribe button for that Dividend guy, and remember I come out with new videos Monday through Friday on my portfolio, giving you the daily, fluctuations and insight on the portfolio every weekday. And I am trying to put out content on the weekends, but I'm not guaranteeing that because I do like having weekends off just to kind of, be a family chill and, kind of have some free time away from YouTube. So thank you so much for watching. Remember to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification so you don't miss any updates, and so you stay up to date on the portfolio and how it's doing. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Happy Wednesday. Hope everybody had a great day. See you then.